South Carolina established the first victim assistance program in the nation. That program offers support to victims and their families as the cases make their way through the courts and then after that. Today, the Attorney General's office held a workshop to connect local organizations with the funding needed to make the support possible. Our Georgia Godfrey found out exactly how these agencies are working to help victims heal.
The most recent crime report by the South Carolina Law Enforcement Division shows there were 373 murders and more than 2,600 sexual batteries in 2017, crimes that have lasting impacts on the victims and their families.
These are victims of domestic violence, they're victims of criminal sexual assault or robbery assault. Their lives have been traumatized.
Many victims and their families require support to make it through such difficult times. Mary Dale Hayes works with these victims, specifically victims of sexual assault.
We support victims of sexual assault by accompanying them at the hospital. We have a 24-hour hotline. We offer individual and group counseling as well as legal and personal advocacy. And we also focus heavily on the primary prevention of sexual violence.
But in order to give this type of 24-hour support, these agencies need their own support. That's where the Attorney General's office comes in.
We have the privilege of funding positions all throughout the state on the county and civil level for victim advocates and other professionals to help them through this trauma and help them heal.
Agencies like Sexual Trauma Services of the Midlands are in the process of applying for grant money now. The agencies say the funding is crucial in being able to help those when they need the support the most.
None of these services would be possible. We wouldn't be able to afford the hotline, the training for the advocates to go to the hospital, all of this comprehensive 24-hour support.
The next round of grant money will be awarded in October. In Columbia, Georgia Godfrey, 7 News.
The Attorney General's office also administers the Violence Against Women Act program, which helps to fund prosecutors who specialize in sexual assault.
Well,